We'll guide you through how to recover files from Dropbox. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, go to the Dropbox website and log in with your credentials. Once you're in, head over to the left sidebar and click on Deleted Files. This is where Dropbox keeps your deleted items for up to 30 days, or longer if you're on a professional plan. You'll see a list of your recently deleted files and folders here. Find the file or folder you want to recover. Once you've located it, hover over the item and you'll see a checkbox appear next to it. Check the box to select the item. After selecting, look for the Restore button that should appear at the top of the list. Click Restore, and Dropbox will move the files back to their original location in your account. If you can't find your file, you can use the search bar at the top to search for it by name. Remember, if your file has been permanently deleted or the 30-day period has passed, you might not be able to recover it unless you're using Dropbox Rewind, which is available for professional and business accounts. Dropbox Rewind allows you to restore your entire account or specific folders to a previous state. To use this, go to the home page, click on Rewind Dropbox, and follow the prompts. This is especially useful if you've accidentally deleted or overwritten multiple files. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.